JBL Flip 5 Waterproof Portable Bluetooth Speaker Review. Looking for a speaker who's as adventurous as you are? The JBL Flip 5 is like the best friend who shows up to every party, rain or shine, with great vibes and even better music. Compact yet powerful, this speaker is perfect for any occasion, be it a cozy kitchen gathering or a wild poolside bash. Design and build. At just 1.2 pounds, the JBL Flip 5 is so portable you might forget you're carrying it until it starts pumping out tunes, of course. Its IPX7 waterproof rating means it's not just splash-proof, it's oops I dropped it in the pool proof. And with 11 vibrant color options, you can pick one that matches your vibe or your beach towel. Performance and key features. Don't be fooled by its size, the Flip 5 knows how to bring the bass. Its 20-watt output delivers sound that's crisp, clear, and loud enough to turn heads, in a good way. Hosting a party? Use the Party Boost feature to link up multiple JBL speakers and create a wall of sound. With a battery life of up to 12 hours, it's got more stamina than your playlist and charges faster than your phone. Pros and cons. Pros. Small enough to toss in your bag, tough enough to handle life's messes. The sound quality is so good, you'll feel like you're front row at a concert. Battery life that keeps the party going from brunch to bedtime. Cons. No auxiliary input, sorry, old school devices. It doesn't play MP3s, but hey, who needs them with Bluetooth? The JBL Flip 5 is the life of the party, wherever the party happens to be. If you want waterproof durability, booming sound, and style, this little powerhouse is a no-brainer. Grab one, and let the good times roll. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.